It's, the camera is good. It looks clear.
Yeah, it's called Power Shot.
Oh, nice.
But I need a pedicure.
Somebody doing the pedicure, okay?
Yeah, I don't know.
If there's a price for right judgment, I guess I've already won that. No man is worth the aggravation. That's ancient history, been there, done that. When you think you're getting better, see right. This looks brown. This just looks like a normal ass brown egg. No chance, no, I won't say no more. I won't say I'm in love. Oh.
It is frothy and alive. If it doesn't froth up, your yeast is old or died. You gotta start over again.
Hello. I always start my vlogs like, hello, you have reached the phone number blank, blank, blank. What am I saying? I always talk to the camera like that. I'm not. Okay. That siren sounds like the wind blowing. It's been a hot minute since I have vlogged or posted here on YouTube. I'm back again, and I'm really excited because today I have my first dermatology appointment. My eyebrows look really dark today because I have no other makeup on. I just have lashes, mascara, and eyebrows because I'm going to a dermatologist. But I'm going at 1:30 to my dermatology appointment. Right now it's like 12:10, so I got some time to kill. Maybe I'll go to Starbucks or something. I don't even know. Dr. Bair. I'm gonna meet up with her today, and they also do non-invasive cosmetic treatments, and I'm really excited to talk to her about my lips and about refreshing this face, because it has been 4 whole years since I did my lips or anything. I have no Botox. I have like nothing. I feel like I had once gotten like Botox in like my cheek area, and that has lasted a really long time, over 4 years. So I have kind of just like this natural type of contour going on. At one point I did do my like jawline, but that was again years and years and years and years ago. I have not done anything. I have not maintained anything. I have not kept up with anything. I have done nothing. These are very old lips, and I feel like I need a refresher. My birthday was last month. I was supposed to do this around my birthday, and it's April now, and I'm ready, okay? I'm ready. So I hope I can collab with her and come out with some content, and they would let me film and like post it on my social medias, because I know a lot of people are curious about this stuff, and as you know, I am very transparent and I have no shame in my game, and I love to share information with you guys. And yeah, I'm an open book, right? So I love to keep it real with y'all, and that's what I'm doing today. That's what I'm gonna try and take you along with me to do. When I turn on the camera, I will probably be there. Here's the dermatologist. Here's where the crash happened. So I was stuck kind of back there for a little bit, but I got this amazing coffee, obviously. Honestly, Stewart's coffee, baby, it's a whole nother level. I walked up in Stewart's. They had all types of flavors of coffee. I'm talking, they had like a dark roast, a blonde roast, they had blueberry, they had cinnamon bun, they had gingerbread, they had banana bread, coffee. I understand the addiction. I understand the addiction with banana bread flavored coffee. Are you kidding me? So I ended up getting maple. You guys know me and the maple syrup. So I got maple syrup, and then I mixed it with French vanilla, and then I put cinnamon bun, lactose free and gluten free creamer, like the Delight creamer. Glad it's lactose free. I couldn't find like almond milk, which I don't know, they should start offering almond or oat milk, because so good. It's so good. Oh my god. Whatever, I will let you know. But I also picked up a blueberry muffin, so I might have a nibble or two of this, drink some coffee, enjoy the weather from my car, and then go inside. I'm nervous. I get so nervous to meet new people, and I get like a little like, what's it called, self-aware. Really? Oh god. I literally just charged it.
Alright, I'll go quick, but you might have to lean your head back unless you're like, alright, ready to open this slightly. And how's that? Is the numbing helping?
It depends.
probably put it back, right?
You did.
Yeah. If you want, I can.
Oh, I'm so excited to start over.
Yeah.
5, 4, 5, 6, 7 years of
Yeah,
just
I can't
layers.
believe it was that long ago. It was good. So why don't I have you come back in like 2-3 weeks? Does that sound good?
Sounds
And
great.
we can look at the scalp. You can look at your lips and kind of go from there.
Yeah. Okay, so this is what we used. This is the dissolver. Yeah, not too bad. A little burny, but not too bad.